How to recover WhatsApp view once photo. So if you want to recover WhatsApp view once photo, then first what you need to do is you just need simply open up your WhatsApp, go with the upper right which has that three dots, and then tap on settings. Now under settings you need to go with chats, and under chats you need to scroll down and then go with chat backup, and make sure that you've backed up your chats. So you just need to simply tap on backup, and you need to back up all of your chats. And once you've backed up your chats, it might take a few minutes. You just need simply wait for a few minutes. Once your backup is done, then the other thing you need to do is you need to go with your file manager or your files. And after opening your files, you need to go with internal storage. After your internal storage or your device storage, you just need to simply scroll down, and you need to find an option of Android. So tap on Android, and under Android, you need to go with media, and here you will have com.whatsapp. So you need to go with the three dots, and you need to tap on rename, and you need to rename this folder. After renaming this folder, now you need to go back, and you need to just tap and hold on to your WhatsApp and tap on uninstall, and then again tap on uninstall. And once you uninstall your WhatsApp, then you just need to simply open up your Play Store, make sure that you have an internet connection, and you need to go and install your WhatsApp again. After installing your WhatsApp, you can just log into your account, and it will ask you if you want to restore a backup. You can just simply go with continue and restore your backup, and after restoring you can go with the same the same chat in which you've received your view once photo, and you'll be able to view that photo. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.